I'm tired. So, this weekend is my bachelorette party officially. So we decided to come to Houston for 4th of July weekend. It's hot in Houston. It's humid and swampy, but good food. Now, woo, it's been a whirlwind of activity already. What's it? I got here on Friday. What did we do on Friday? Caught up with people. Old friends met new friends. Friends met friends. Went out, checked out the bar scene. Alita's amazing at planning stuff, so shout out to Alita for planning an amazing, fun weekend. We did the pub pedal bike thing and checked out some more places and went out to get some food, and then we came back and I took a 2-hour nap, getting energy back up to go back out tonight. So that should be pretty fun. But it's a good time. Everyone's got good vibes and in good spirits. So it's been good. It's been good. Oh, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thanks. Bye. Does this feel weird?
Huh?
Does this feel weird?
It does feel weird. You look so pretty cute.
You're always the guest before, but guess what? Yeah. This is your turn. Come on now.
Your straw.
Wow.
I know, that was like real hard to get together.
I had to order 2 of those because it was a 6-pack, so you have 2 white sachets.
Okay. So you could be able to
might
splash something on one.
Yeah. Here's this future message.
So this is for the beer?
Or just any drink, to be honest.
It's covered with invisible.
All because of you, I be on the phone all night long.
Who is that out here?
Don't be smart when you do it to me. Oh no, no, no. I be on my business, shawty, but you be on my mind, shawty. MLM, all of my honey,
What's any advice you can give her? What I would say is, both of you guys have to sacrifice, and just if you care for each other, it works out. Then you know, if you love each other, it'll work out. Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, you guys.
Good job, good job, good job, good job. Whipping up, whipping up. Hi.
The grasshopper, yeah.
No, just make sure that door is closed properly. Everybody's here in Houston. Getting ready to go bike somewhere.
That's what I was saying. I don't even take a picture of Okay.
Yeah. Wow, this is cool. I'm not gonna fit.
What's your name, sir?
Yeah.
Jeremy.
I will change his mom. Hi.
How are you, mother?
Show her the pee-pee straw.
Hey. I'll remember this best friend. What? I'm happy.
Show us your penis straw. No shot.
One shot. Ready.
Baby, follow my command, like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Follow my command, like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Cause this your milky for front enough for me. Hold on for me, I no go do me corny.
This is the 5th word.
And if you're milky na fighty, I saw me to look. Baby, smile, deep, baby, gonna, waka, when you enter, Malicha. Baby, gonna, do you give me sugar, Macho Mona Lisa, 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 Macho Mona Lisa.
A few moments later.
Girl, I'll be foolish if I don't let you indulge me. Your lips like poison. I take my chance with you. If I did, look happy, don't know you're in denial. I'll show you I'm loyal. You want that bomb way down like tsunami or the would you hold me down in the corner? Waka when you enter Malicha. Baby, gonna, do you give me sugar? Wala. Macho Mona Lisa, 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 Macho Mona Lisa.
Watch your eyes, guys. Watch your eyes. Take for the tambourine.
Don't wait on me, don't wait on me. Why you so here? Don't wait on me.
But this is what I prefer to do this. I prefer to YouTube this. And then I don't have a message. I just like doing it. I like putting it together. That's how I do it.
You can do like a travel vlog. Here's your aquarium.
The Tesla, wow. Venus. If I broke down my business.
iPhone?
Yeah, he has an
Exactly.
iPhone. I don't need an iPhone. He has an iPhone. Woo! Since I can't take my camera with me. Get all now. Everybody, look at Kel. Look at cute. Look at cute. Where's your own sash?
It's in my room.
Go get your sash. It's a whole consistency thing, okay?
It's what?
How can I be making a video and there's 2 different types of video in the video?
Are you making a video?
Yes.
You used to do it before, right?
Yeah.
last, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the dog, I no go feed the dog insult, I'm a mind that's really dark, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know they get both, like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, I did Port when them kill Soboma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some more to remake could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani can't you at you. I'm a white dog, give me Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you
We did it.
want me to do?
We made it back. Oh, cause Taylor, where are you running to?
Breakfast, have to say bye bye yo, bye bye yo, to the love of my life.
Problem in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. While I know the finish. Oh, make you try to enjoy. Say kata kata uru not the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Problem in all the finish. So make you try to enjoy. Make you dance like Luala. Yeah, Luala. Make you dance like Luala. Yeah, Luala. Dance like Luala. Yeah, Luala. Dance like Luala. Yeah, Luala. You see this life, I cannot kill myself. I just want to live my life, if I'm judging. I don't like bad, I don't go find your trouble. I don't like a salad, so far my money the double. As my money the pile up, oh, it make me happy, happy. As my money the pile up, oh, it sweet my body, body. Problem in all the finish. Make you try to enjoy. While I know the finish. Oh, make you try to enjoy. Say kata kata uru not the finish. Make you try to enjoy. Problem in all the finish.
Ask you guys questions. Shout out to y'all for cooking dinner. It's Sunday night. We're about to do some games. Ah! You knew they were gonna be. He doesn't care. I don't know. 4, 5, 3, 4. My voice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. You don't have to dance with him. Ah!
Yeah.
But you have to adjust that part. Still like love. Yeah. So you just have to adjust it.
I'm sorry, not everybody fits in the bad bitch genre. It's a genre. Not everybody fits on the roster.